how to turn on or turn off decrease brightness by 10% for power saving on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, we swipe down at the top. Next, tap on the settings icon right next to the power key. Then we go down, scroll down, and then tap on battery. Next, tap on power saving, tap on the left hand side panel. And in here, we go down to the power saving options and tap on decrease brightness by 10%. Tap on the toggle button to turn on, switch off, decrease brightness. And here, if you switch it on when power saving is turned on, your screen brightness will be decreased by 10%. So these settings will apply only when you turn on power saving. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to return back to your battery screen. Tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.